want to buff it. And that's what I'm going to get out of it. There we go. Turn that right. I can't wait to do the motor. I can't wait to do the motor. This motor needs cleaning bad. It's going to be happy to meet me. I done cleaned some Tex motors here that look just like this. Dirty. Do you know Ivan? The little young Tech, about 22? Got long hair?
Possibly, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, usually wear a beanie.
Yeah.
I've done a lot of cars for him.
Okay.
I'd have done more, out of all the Techs, I'd have done more cars for him than anybody here. Because he used to buy cars and then let me clean them up for him. All right. You ready?
Yep.
Get some more. That off and we'll say that's what that did, and then I'm gonna switch up the other buffer. I'm gonna go from the DA to the high speed. Okay, let me hook up this right here. They don't even take care of their pads. I lock my stuff up because something ever happened in them. The last thing I want them to do is try to, well, nobody couldn't get in my locker but Tony anyway, unless they cut it off. You know, the dealership is good at buying what detailer need, but if you're not a good enough detailer to know everything you need, regardless of what they buy, you're not knowledgeable, you won't get it. Matter of fact, that's the way Lithia is. When I worked for Lithia, the first time back in 2001, they had no problem buying you what you say you need to do a better job, detailing cars. But a lot of these guys, they don't really know like that. So they use whatever they see and they imitate what everybody else do. You know, which ain't never been my style. I ain't looking at nobody else trying to figure out what the fuck they doing. The region. All right, this is the high speed. You know, the trunk and the top and the hood is the incline surface. If paint gonna go bad, it's gonna go bad there first.
Yeah.
Because it's more exposed to the weather.
Hey, I gotta go back over there. But I sold this one.
Huh?
I gotta go back over there, but
Okay.
this one's sold.
Would you run that one through
Pretty
car
quick.
wash?
Car wash? Yeah, I got you.
I think you really just have to take the stickers off. I don't think he cares it's raining out there.
Okay. All right, then.
Okay.
All right, I get that. Thanks, man.
Huh?
Oh, I forgot I've done work for this motherfucker right here, too.
Yeah.
A lot of work. Pretty bad. I'm trying to figure out the best course of action. Let's see. Let me try this. I think I about got it figured out. I'm gonna have to go with something like this here.
That's looking
The other stuff is gonna be too hard for the paint because the paint is old and wore. So I don't need to use no heavy duty cutting cream on it.
That spot looks beautiful.
Yeah, it's gonna be the best course of action. Not use no heavy cut. Just have to go with something that's a mid grade. We don't get that too much paint in here like that. I'm gonna sweep back up for a second. Try this again. Let's just go look at the trunk right quick. Check the trunk. If I could get the hood to look like this, but it's definitely gonna take some work. I might even do something different doing the prep job to try to let me get this. Since I'm on the trunk, I'm gonna go back with the other button and see. Huh? Yeah. I don't have something. You're gonna have to get it done tomorrow, man. I don't want to be responsible because I can't do it the way it needs to be. Nah, I don't have, that's not enough time for me to do it. That car will take about 4 hours. And then if I get deliveries, I got to keep on stopping. So you might just have to have them take it like it is. Yeah,
This coming out nice. You can see that like butter on the, oh man. On cam, wow, let's just get a before and after right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Either
that's
that
a
or you can just shoot that in with it. But yeah, that's gonna look good.
huge
I'm
difference.
gonna get ready and start. I already found out what I'm basically how to do. That hood is gonna take a minute, but I can make it look better. The size will look better too.
This already looks great.
Right. The size will look better.
Yep.
I'm not sure about the top. The hood gonna need a lot of work. But that's what you got. He over here cutting his eyes over here. What I'm fucking doing over here. That's why I'm gonna go ahead and stop.
Okay.
So we go.